In this video, I'm going to show you how to save 10 hours a week editing your videos. What you're looking at right now is a product I'm using called Submagic. I'm going to go over some of the features of it, what it does, and then I'm going to show you how you can save, as the title of this video states, how to save 10 hours a week editing your video. So what Submagic is, it's a video editing product. It saves you time, makes your videos look a lot more professional. It's going to grow your subscriber base and ultimately make us as content creators more money. So Submagic creates viral shorts in seconds with AI. It's the simplest video creation platform that helps content creators and businesses make captivating content faster than ever. It's rated 4.9 out of 5 stars, and it's loved by over 1 million users. And you can see some of these celebrities that are using features in their videos. Like Submagic, they might be using Submagic. I'm not sure how this works with the celebrities, spokespeople for this, but it's all the same features as Submagic offers. So I'm assuming they're using it for, with Submagic to create their videos. But as you can see, you got Mr. Beast there and some other familiar faces that are using some of these features to create awesome videos, basically. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go through this right now. You can see a review of it, all the different things it can do. If you look on your screen, post like the top creators. These are all the different creators. And we're going to go over to the Submagic backend. I'm going to show you how to save 10 hours a week editing your videos. And if you like what you see in this video, there's going to be a 10% discount code in the video description box directly below. So a 10% video discount code for Submagic is going to be exclusively in the video description box, so make sure you check that out if you like what you see. Now here we go. Here's some of the features here. These are the captions, which I like. I'm going to play this video. Want to transform your YouTube videos with... Now these are the captions. I'm going to go to the beginning of this video, and I'm going to end this video. Want to transform your YouTube videos with... And I'm going to show you what it looks like as this completed video that I created using Submagic. So this is Hormozi style. Devin. Ella. You got Tracy. You got Dan. You got Luke. You got all kinds of names here. Carl. Maya. Celine. William. Hormozi too. That's Alex Hormozi. He's a huge YouTube star. You guys have probably heard of him. But he's got 3 different ones for him. Different styles. David. Aman, Ali, Noah, Umi, Mr. Beast. And then you got 3 of these. I don't have this plan. This is an upgraded plan that I would recommend that you'd get because I'm going to upgrade to this shortly. And there you're going to be able to unlock these other ones. They're available in the growth and business plans for those 3. But you got all these to use. You got size. You can do a position. You can highlight the colors. Main color, second color, third color, all that good stuff. Here's the captions. It's got a 99.65% accuracy rate. So when you're creating a video and it's uploaded to Submagic, it's going to come back with what you're actually saying. It's not going to make up words, so that's a plus. There'll be very little editing involved. So that's awesome for you. And then you got the B-rolls, which is really cool. And I'll show you this video in a second here, completed. And I'm not even using all the features of it in this video. And it takes you through all the B-rolls on this. Then you got Boost, where you can add AI hook title, descriptions, and hashtags. Copy, regenerate, short version. They can make a long version, image, text. You basically got everything you can do with this. And let's go back here. Now, what I'm going to do now, like I said, there's a ton of features on this. I'm not going to go through every single feature. I'm just going to show you what this video looks like completed. And this is just using the captions and the B-rolls. And that's about it. There's a lot of other features you can use to make it even better. I didn't do that. I think it's good enough. But you have the option to make it perfect if you so choose to do so. So with that being said, I'm going to start this video, let it play for about 45 seconds so you can see what it looks like. and then you can make your mind up if you want to check out this product for yourself. Like I said, the link's directly below. 10% discount code. Feel free to use it if you like what you see. So I'm going to hit play, go about 45 seconds, and end this video. If you like the video, I'd appreciate if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. With that being said, let's go for 45 seconds and end this video. Thanks for watching. Cutting edge AI tools, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Jay, and I've been helping content creators like you boost their video production with AI. Today, I'm excited to share an exclusive resource that will revolutionize your video editing process. Introducing Master AI Video Editing for YouTube, free ebook and video training. This comprehensive guide unlocks the secrets to creating stunning YouTube videos with AI editing. Instantly improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. Here's what you'll get. Learn the insider secrets of AI video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in my next YouTube video.